Hello, welcome to the world of art and design, where creativity knows no bounds and innovation shapes our imagination. So, today we're gonna cover the following topics are shown in the screen below. Let's check out with the income and revenue tracking. So, in income and revenue tracking, it involves recording of all the sources of income, like encompassing sales of artwork, like design services, licensing fees, grants, and commissions. Accurate transactions of each transaction is essential for comprehension financial management, facilitating previous analysis and informed decision making in the dynamic of art and design business. Second, expense management. In expense management, it's compulsory to monitor all the expenditures associated with your art and design businesses, including studio rent, art supplies, equipment purchase, marketing expenses, and employee salaries if applicable. By tracking this cost, you can maintain financial control, optimize resource allocation, and ensure the effective operation of your business in the vibrant and dynamic world of arts and design. Third, accounts receivable and payable. In account receivable and payable management, it involves monitoring money owed to your business, account receivable, and money you owe to others, its accounts payable. Timely invoicing and billing payments are crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow and positive relationship with clients and suppliers. By staying organized and proactive in managing these financial aspects, you can ensure the smooth operations and financial stability of your art and design business. Fourth, inventory management. In inventory management is essential for business selling physical artwork or design products. Implementing an inventory system enables tracking of cost, quantity, and value of inventory, facilitating accurate calculation for cost of goods sold. By efficiently managing inventory, you can optimize stock levels, control expenses, and ensure timely replenishment, thereby enhancing operational efficiency and profitability in the dynamic world of arts and design. Fifth, tax compliance. In tax compliance is crucial in the arts and design business to ensure to sales tax regulation by your judiciary. It involves collecting and retaining sales tax as required, while maintaining records of all the tax-related transactions. By staying compliant, you can avoid penalties, uphold legal obligations, and maintain financial integrity, ensuring the smooth operations and fostering trust with stakeholders in the arts and design industry. Sixth, financial statement. In financial statements are tools for monitoring the financial health for your art and design business. Regularly generating and revenue income statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements offers a comprehensive snapshot for your financial status. By analyzing these statements, you can make informed decisions, identifying area for improvement, and ensure the sustainable growth and success of your business in the dynamic of art and design business. Seven, bank reconciliation. In bank reconciliation is a critical portion for ensuring the accuracy of your art and design business's financial records. By comparing your bank statements with your accounting records, you can identify any discrepancy or errors that may arise. This helps maintain financial integrity, ensure transparency in your financial transactions, and enables to inform decision making to support to continuous success and growth for your business in the arts and design industry. 8. Record keeping. In record keeping is essential for the effective management of your art and design business finances. Organizing detailed records of all the financial transactions such as receipts, invoice, contracts and bank statements, ensuring accuracy and transparency. Utilizing accounting software can streamline the record keeping process, enhancing efficiency and accessibility. By maintaining and organizing records, you can facilitate smooth operations, track financial performance, and make informed decisions to support the growth and success for your business. Ninth, budgeting. Budgeting is the fundamental aspect of financial management for your art and design business. By creating a budget, you can effectively plan and monitor your income and expenses. Regularly comparing your actual financial performance against the budget allows you to identify any variance and make necessary adjustments. This proactive approach helps you to maintain financial stability, allocate resources efficiently, and achieve your business's goal in the dynamic arts and design industry. 10. Cash flow management. In cash flow management is crucial for the financial health of your art and design and vendors. By closely monitor your cash flow, you can ensure sufficient liquidity to cover expenses and investments in your project. This proactive approach enables you to navigate financial, maintain stability, and seize growth opportunity. Efficiently maintaining the cash flow is essential for sustaining operations and forecasting success in the vibrant and dynamic of art and design. So, here are some KPIs that are commonly used in the art and design industry to measure performance and track success. Let's check out. First, revenue growth. Revenue growth measures the year-over-year increasing in the total revenue, reflecting the effectiveness of sales and marketing strategies in driven business success. Second, profit margin. Profit margin calculated by dividing net profit by total revenue evaluates operational efficiency, providing insights into the profitability of your art and design business. Third, client retention rate. Client retention rate measures the percentage of clients who continue to engage with your art and design business over a time, serving a key indicator of customer satisfaction and loyalty. Average transaction value. In average transaction value, it calculates the average amount spent per customer or client, aiding in identifying sales growth opportunity and optimizing revenue generation strategies for your art and design business. Account receivable. Account receivable engines track the maturity of outstanding invoices, facilitating timely payment collection for minimizing the risk of bad debts, thus ensuring healthy cash flow for your art and design business. Return on investment. Return on investment evaluates the effectiveness of marketing campaign, exhibitions, or promotional activities, enabling strategic resources allocation for optimal outcomes in your art and design business. Galaxy or exhibition attendance. In Galaxy or exhibition attendance, it measures the number of visitors at art shows and Galaxy opening, providing insights into the popularity and reputation of your work as an artist, aiding in audience engagement strategy. Online engagement. Online engagement is the website traffic, social media followers, and engagement metrics, providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of your online pressures and marketing strategies for enhancing visibility and audience interacting in the art and design business. Inventory turnover. In inventory turnover, it measures the rate at which inventory is sold, reflecting the efficiency of inventory management. Higher the turnover signifies effective inventory control in your art and design business. Artwork or design sale conversion rate. Artwork or design sale conversion rate measures the percentage of or lead that results in actual sales, providing insights into the effectiveness of your sales process and strategies in converting potential customers into buyers. May your financial management pave the way of the boundless creativity and prosperity in the vibrant world of art and design. Thank you so much. See you at the next video. Bye.